today I am going to be clearing off my car, and I'm wearing I'm wearing the jacket that Jessica gave me a couple of years ago. It is the warmest jacket I've ever had, and my dogs are barking because they have no idea what I'm doing out here in this cold. I look like a snowman. Perfect. Okay. So I went to Amazon and I bought a really long ice scraper, and I want to see if it will help me in clearing off my car from the snow, because the typical handheld ones are too short. Oh, geez. It's almost as tall as I am.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me.
See my shoes? They are covered in snow from cleaning off my car, but they're made out of rubber, and they're probably the warmest, best snowshoes that I've ever had. Okay, so while the car is warming up, I figured I'd sit here and talk about why I'm doing this. Like, why not just ask for help? And the reason why I'm doing this right now is to prove that I can. There have been several times where I was out and about and either it has started snowing or I needed to go somewhere and my car wasn't cleared off and I couldn't leave the house. It really got me thinking about all the things that I can do, all the things that I know I can't do, and I do need to ask for help. But then there are these things that I can't do, but I want to be able to do by myself, and it's a matter of figuring out and trying to come up with a solution on my own, so I don't have to wait for somebody to help me. I'm hoping that with a short step stool, I might be able to get to the top of the car. So let's try that out and see if it works. Okay. Alright, so here's the problem. I can get onto the step stool and I can hold the stick up on the top of the roof, but because of these bars that are on top of my car, it doesn't really get to it doesn't scrape the top of the ice. Someone might just leave that sheet of ice on the top of their car, but as the sun warms up that area and you're driving down the road, if you have to, let's say, stop suddenly, that ice will slide straight down onto your windshield, and that's what makes it unsafe. You can't see with the ice on your windshield. So I could spend all day warming up my car, scraping off the hood and the windshield itself to get the ice off, but at the end of the day, it's still going to be unsafe for me if that ice on the top remains there. So if anyone has any type of solution for me, let me know, and we'll try that out and see how that works. Whew, that was a lot of work. I've been waiting to be able to make this video for almost a year now because it's been a while since it snowed, and I know that this is something that I struggle with for a really long time. I won't be leaving the house because of the ice on the top, but that's a video for another day. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope that you're all safe and well. Stay warm, and I will leave you with that. Okay, bye.